Hello, I'm Chasing Yadani, and today we'll be exploring the pie even more. So, I was interested in what this gaming stuff was. Just wait for a second, we're getting a little off topic. But what is this? So, I'm just trying to tour the pie. So, I thought Minecraft costed money. I'm wondering, what even is Minecraft? Okay, so I'm just gonna see how fast the pie is. First, let's go to gaming. Also, I noticed that when you're on the pie, it's actually much more faster for you. Not for me because this is a remote desktop connection, and I don't. And see, as you can see, it's really slow on remote desktop. But if I go to the actual thing, the actual HDMI, you won't be able to see it, but it will certainly come up much faster. So I actually, off camera, I was trying to explore this. So yeah, let me see. What is this? So it looks like this when it comes to remote desktop. This is the most you can go. So let's see. So yeah, I saw this Minecraft thing, and it was actually just like regular Minecraft that I heard of, except it's just limited. So that's one, and I'm gonna go explore this a little bit more. Python game. Oh, wow. Okay, this I've never seen this before. Yeah, so it looks like I'm already very confused. Okay, I've heard of this. Oh, okay. So it looks like this this is a game that I know quite well. Okay. Yeah. That is very confusing. Like very confusing. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, so it looks like this is really interesting. I've never really heard of a concept like this. So actually, I've only heard of this in one game, called Othello. It's a board game I heard of. So enough of this. Let's actually, let's actually go to. But yeah, it's quite interesting how things that would otherwise be costing of money are free like that. So let's go to other stuff. Sound and video. Is this like a player? Oh. Okay, so it looks like this is where you can play certain things. Okay, currently I don't have anything on this, so I won't be able to play anything. So like, no videos. So I'm gonna see any. I don't know what that is. Scratch I've heard of. Let's go to internet. Oh yeah, and also I tried downloading Unity, but it didn't really work. Although this is 64-bit, which is quite impressive. So now let's actually check the speed. Speed test. Okay. Okay. Well, what is the speed? So yeah, it really looks like with Python, you might be able to make quite a lot of uh, Unity. Very interesting. Okay, but it looks like with Python, you might be able to make some games with this. I think that would be good. I don't know what it's trying to do now. Ping 22.7. Okay, it's actually loading. I didn't know it will take this long to load. I would say this is quite good for $30. Oh, yay. It's actually working. So ping 227. That's better than my computer. Download 6.97. That is good for $30. Upload 12. That's actually pretty good. I might be able to upload this YouTube video in the Pi. Okay, so that's interesting. Let's see what else it can do. My website. Okay. Yeah. The only reason it looks as if it's really slow on my computer is just because remote desktop means that also the Pi in my PC, I don't know if you can see, but the Pi in my PC, this is the Pi, and this is my PC. They're literally right neck and neck to each other, but although that, they're certainly still not going to be connecting directly. So they're actually connecting to the router all the way over there. So like all the way downstairs. That's why it's very slow when it comes to connections and closed doors. So, I don't really know what else we can check. How did I not think of that? Google Meet. Let's try a new meeting. Start an instant meeting. Okay, so you might need to. Okay, I know why it's saying that for sure. So it's saying no camera found because Zoom is using my camera right now. So let's join. Although there won't be a camera, at least this. Copy join. And yeah, it looks like it's quite easy to schedule a meet. So Google acts just like regular Google would, except it looks like a little bit older version, I think. Okay. And also, you can change your thing with the desktop preferences. The last time I used a Pi, I figured this out. So this actually has pre-made stuff for you. So like this, if you opened it, and you check this out, this actually looks pretty cool for me. So you have this. some type of jungle. This. So yeah, you have many different, still cool looking backgrounds that you can put, which is quite cool. Although I prefer some, I don't really prefer these over the ones that I have. I might actually start preferring them. Try a bigger one. I'm not so sure. So like you can literally choose whatever you like. There's many. So like Sand Temple. I haven't seen this. Okay, yeah, I haven't seen that. Trees. I've seen that before. Let's see. Islands. Oh, that's quite good. Fisherman. Yes. So there's a ton you can check out. I'm gonna go back to forward because it just looks good for me. I think this was our background when we went somewhere. We actually took this exact same pie and we had a background for it. I'm not sure if it got saved though. So okay, let's go. So it looks like it has a lot of pre-installed stuff. Although I don't know many of these programming languages, it has a lot of pre-installed stuff. I think that so I think when it comes to the pie, I might need to do quite a bit of researching about what all of these stuff are, because I had never heard of any of these. Claus Mail. I think that's Gmail. Graphics, games, accessories, text editor, help. So Debian reference. Oh yeah, the Raspberry Pi was actually made by Debian and I forgot the other. I think it was just made by Debian. Okay, the Magpie. Preferences, add, remove software, appearance settings, audio, keyboard, main menu editor, recommended software. Okay, so if you're a lefty, this could work. So if you do this, I need to right click in order to edit stuff. This is me left clicking. So it looks like it's actually quite interesting. Okay, I'm gonna go back to. Oh yeah, I really need to get used to this, don't I? Okay, I'm gonna go back. I need to go to keyboard and mouse, and there. Yay. I don't know what the beeping is. Maybe if you do something that it doesn't know, it'll start beeping. I would probably turn that off, although I didn't. So let's also go, so Wi-Fi. Oh. Okay, so this is where you can control volume. That's cool. Bluetooth. So this has Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and audio. Quite good. Also, I wonder if this can hold charge. Sadly, the Pi cannot hold charge for because it has no batteries in it. But if I would say, if I was one of the developers, I would surely want to add batteries, just like a laptop. So if we have a power outage, we could actually go to this. So I'm pretty sure that's it for exploring and testing how fast it is. Other than that, pretty much, I don't really know what else we should do. I'm just gonna play around with the Pi, and other than that, bye. Ask me if you have any questions, and please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye.